We're always going to start a training. So in the bottom left, you're going to click on that. You're going to find the date that you're going to try to do. In this case, we're going to start on May 20th. You're going to click on start session. All right, so it's going to ask you always 5 questions. How'd you sleep today? I'm going to say excellent. How was your mood? You're going to say okay, or whatever you decide. You're going to click on those 5 questions: stress, mood, sleep, and soreness. Then from there, sometimes might have coach instructions, sometimes might not. This will guide you on what we're trying to do. You can click got it to make sure that box is green. Then from here, we're going to go right into our warm-up. So as you can see, the warm-up's labeled out there, and I don't expect you to know what each one of those means. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that box, the white box at the bottom, supposed to be a video. And it's going to show you each of the videos for each of the exercises that are in that box, right? So for example, our first exercise would be lateral child's pose to reach. Obviously, once we do it a couple times, a couple weeks, we're going to be used to it, so we don't have to click that video anymore. But in this case, I'm going to click that video. It's going to load from YouTube. And I can see the points of performance. That's just spelling it out, what I'm looking for in each one. This is taking a little bit longer than I thought.
I'm going to show you a lateral child's pose.
But as you can see, it plays the video. All right, so I'm going to do all those reps. Once I finish that, I'm going to mark as completed. I'm going to move on to the next by clicking the bottom right arrow, or I can slide back. Then I would have notes. So the notes are right underneath the video. You're going to always have some notes, whether it be for rep ranges. In this case, it says at the bottom, goal is somewhere between 5 to 15 reps. For this particular exercise, you're going to be using a bench or try kneeling, for example. So you're always going to read those notes. You get more used to it towards the 3rd or 4th week usually. Let's say in this case, we got 5 reps today on the first set. I go down to my next exercise, and it's going to be goblet squat. So let's say in this case, I read the notes. It says use the kettlebell, and it says go up week to week. And I got on my first week, I want to start at 6. So I went up to 6. And I go on to my next exercise. This is floor seated single arm banded row. So I set myself up and I record, let's say 10 reps on this one. That's one set. I go back up to the top and I do it again, right? So I keep recording. Let's say this time I got 7 reps. So I click on 7. And this way is going to keep track of everything. If you have notes for yourself for next week, you're going to write them down here. You're going to note, I did kneeling. So that way next week when you go back to this note, you're going to read it right here in that box that says note. It says I did kneeling. So it's going to appear at the top, and it only does it every time you did the last workout. So if you didn't write a note in the last workout, it would just keep it blank. You only see it one time from the previous time you did that exercise, basically. And from there, we click next, and we're doing the rest of the exercise the same way. Next, in this case, if you have time, you'll do cardio. You can leave a note on what you did if there's something different. If not, your mark is completed. And you click next and you're done training. Every time you're done training, it's going to ask you for intensity level. This is your own personal intensity level. How did the session feel to you? The scale is weird. It's from 1 very, very easy. At 5, it's already hard. I don't believe the scale is correct, but you're going to base it whatever you want. Let's say for me, it was a 9, an 8, which is pretty hard, but not undoable. And then you're going to finish your session. At that point, it gives you a ranking on how many exercise sets and reps you did. And you can see this week to week and how it works.